Hi guys, welcome to this video about the price action regarding the GoPro Hero 5 Black on Amazon. It is only about the price, it's not about the GoPro Hero 5 Black. It's really just the price. It's available now for $179.98, below $180. So it has come into the price range where it's comparable to high price Chinese products. One of the main competitors, of course, of the GoPro is SJ Cam. I think, the SJ6. Now the most updated version is SJ7. Don't know why it's not here. But anyway, yeah, here you have, oh wow, here you have the SJ8 for 200 and wow, $50. Didn't know that they have such an expensive camera. But the thing is, all these cameras, they need a case. That's the big disadvantage. As you can see, they all need a case in this price range, and the GoPro Hero 5 Black, it doesn't need a case. It's a huge difference. It doesn't need a case to be waterproof. Yeah, so it's a huge difference. With these cams, I mean, it's almost impossible to record sound, and with the GoPro Hero 5 Black, it's you will have a really good sound. At least with the version 7, I have really good sound, and I guess it's almost the same. It's, yeah, probably very similar with the version 5. I mean, of course, the version 6 got a new processor, and version 7 even new software, especially regarding stabilization. But I mean, the 5 is really it's already a really awesome camera, and I think it's way above everything what you see here. I mean, I'm not saying these cameras are bad, but I had a lot of issues. I had issues with heating up. I had issues, especially with these buttons here. That's a really crazy thing. And I mean, you can imagine when the whole thing is in an additional case and you are continuously recording, the thing heats up extremely, and that's a huge advantage for the GoPro. And as you can see, it's definitely not a one-day thing. The price has continuously be coming down. I mean, it already came down on April 1st to this price, and looks like it bottomed out now. Yeah, I don't expect that it will fall any further. Probably they will discontinue this camera, and yeah, maybe your last chance to get something like this with Amazon Prime. Sometimes later you will be able to get it only from eBay, something like that. So it's a huge advantage when you can get it from Amazon with 30 days full return warranty. I mean, yeah, you get all the support from Amazon. With eBay, it's usually a total different thing. So basically $180 for such a thing. I mean, that's a steal. That's crazy. That's a crazy price. So yeah, I mean, I don't have this model, and it has a little bit mixed reviews, but most of them are still 5 stars. So I think it's still a really, really decent camera. And yeah, I think it's one of the best buys since long time. If you're in the market for not the highest price GoPro, but like a medium price with still a very good quality. So I just wanted to let you know. I just found this by chance, and I'll put down the link to this Amazon listing down into the description, so you can order it right from there if you like. So that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, just write in the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.